Hi everyone, so we are at Alvasal again और यहाँ पे Cedarwood Phase 2 की launch है which is called Cedarwood South. The villas are amazing, बहुत ही limited villas है, 74 only. और इससे पहले जितनी launch हुई थी which इसमें Cedarwood Phase 1 था, Ashwood Stage था which was again on the golf course. There is not even a single villa which is available even in the cancellation. The prices in Ashwood State जो कि first golf course community launch के ऊपर launch हुई थी, that was around 11.8. Then in the second launch, which was Cedarwood Phase 1, it was 12.8. And now when the third launch is there, which is again on the golf course, the price has already gone up, which is around 13.3 million for a 4-bed, 18.6 million for a 5-bed, and 25.9 million for a 6-bed. So that's how the price is going up with each and every launch. So of course, the people who got the villa in the first launch already have that appreciation and the appreciation which the market brought in. Those two sizes in the market, there is no one, literally no one who is as generous as Vasal is, because the sizes are starting from 6,000 to 9,000 square foot, which is for a 4-bed villa. Every villa, 4, 5 and 6 bedroom comes with a private elevator, comes with a private pool, and 5 and 6 bedroom villas are all on the golf course. So imagine आप स्टेप आउट कर रहे हैं अपने घर से और बिल्कुल आपके सामने गोल्फ कोर्स है एंड द 4 बेड्स आर 1 row behind the 5 and 6 bed villa. So if you also want to stay in the close vicinity to the golf course, 4 bed is also a very good choice. And all this is a great opportunity for anyone who actually was trying to buy in the earlier phases of Ashwood State and Cedarwood States. Prices have already gone up. We all know that in Jumeirah Golf State 1, where the prices of 4 bed are, that's doubled and tripled at least. And to be honest, this is one community which has everything. There is a Mandarin Oriental hotel which is going to come up. There are going to be Mandarin branded villas which is going to be there. There is an existing metro station, and then there is a new metro line which is announced, also going to get connected with this metro station, which is the existing one over here. We have golf villas, we have state homes, we have townhouses, we have residential building, commercial building, we have retail, shopping center in this one, a British school, hospital, and a tennis stadium which is super huge. Like, it's gonna be the biggest tennis stadium which is gonna house 5,000 people in it. Have like around 15 kilometer of trail along with the equestrian village, which is connected to through and through within the whole community.